Hi guys, how you doing today? Do you know how you doing? Really, do you really know how you doing? How you feeling? Usually we answer yes, no, but we don't really know what's going on inside. Remember composure? Part of the composure is knowing what's going on here inside. And how do you do that? By being mindful. Mindful, yes. By being completely present in this moment. So that when I ask you how you doing, you can make a little check-in and ask yourself, how am I doing really? Do you know how you're doing? So if you don't really know how you're doing, we're going to work on mindfulness. So mindfulness is no woo-woo stuff. It's simply being here, fully present. Like right now, I'm feeling the sun on the right-hand side of my face. I'm feeling the breath. I'm feeling the grass under my feet. And I'm not judging. It is what it is. That's exactly what's going on. That's what I'm feeling. And how am I feeling right now? I'm feeling great. I'm in the outdoor, fresh air, good sun. What else could I ask for? So, mindfulness is about that. It's about you being present from time to time. So, on a daily basis, let's say you're in your car, you're driving, and then you get to the red light. You stop. How is your body feeling? Do you feel any tightness, or do you feel that you're okay? Just by doing this, a little check. How am I doing? How am I feeling? Oh, I'm feeling tension in my neck. And you're not judging. It's like you're making an inventory of what's going on inside, in your body, or outside. Same thing. You're at that red light. You look outside. Say, that person is singing. Oh, the other one in front is discussing. Oh, this one. But you're not judging. You're just being aware of what's going on inside or outside. But you're in the present moment. So this is what mindfulness is. So on a daily basis, either when you're brushing your teeth, you can do it too. You feel the brush on the teeth, on the gum, you feel the water, the mint. Um, it's about that. When you're eating, how does it taste? How does it feel? How's the texture? This is what mindfulness is about. And again, it's something that really helps you knowing you and knowing what you're feeling inside. Because when you start doing that with your emotions too, how am I feeling right now? And then you make your little check. Oh, I'm feeling tension here and I'm a little bit irritated. Okay, you just know. You're not there to judge if it's good or bad. You're just there to take notice. The more you're going to practice, the easier it will become. And in no time, it will become an habit, which means you'll know exactly at every moment of the day how you're really feeling. And this will help you to learn how to deal with those strong emotions, like fear, like anger, like sadness, like disgust, the typical seven emotion that we talked about in the other video. So if you have any question, pop that by and practice, 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 practice. Have a good day.